Lesson 2. Using the angle addition formula. The addition formula from Lesson 1 can be used to find the exact values of trig functions of different angles. Let's do some examples. Using the formula for sine of a minus b, show that the sine of 15 degrees is equal to the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 all over 4. So we know the sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. 15 degrees, we can make it either as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, or maybe 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. Let's just do 45 minus 30. So here, A will be 45 degrees, and B will be 30 degrees. So sine of 15 degrees is equal to sine of 45 degrees times cos of 30 minus cos of 45 times sine of 30. Sine of 45 is root 2 over 2. Cos of 30 is root 3 over 2. These should be degrees. Minus cos of 45 is root 2 over 2. And sine of 30 is a half. Multiplying out, we get the square root of 6 over 4, subtract the square root of 2 over 4, which gives us square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 all over 4 as required. Let's do one more example. Given that sine of a equals negative 3 over 5, and 180 degrees is less than a, which is less than 270 degrees, and cos b is equal to negative 12 over 13, and b is obtuse, so 90 degrees is less than b, which is less than 180 degrees, find a cos of a minus b, and b tan of a plus b. For part A, cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. We know sine a and cos b, but we need to find cos a and sine b. We know cos squared a is 1 minus sine squared a, which is going to be 1 minus negative 3 over 5 squared, which is 1 minus 9 over 25, which is 16 over 25. So cos squared a is 16 over 25, and cos a is equal to plus or minus 4/5. But we're given that 180 degrees is less than a, which is less than 270. If we draw a cast diagram, 180 to 270 is here. So if sine is negative 3 over 5, cos will also be negative because it's going this direction. So cos of a is equal to minus 4/5. To find sine b, we know sine squared b is 1 minus cos squared b, which is equal to 1 minus 12 over 13 squared, which is 1 minus 144 over 169, which is 25 over 169. And so sine b equals plus or minus 5 over 13. But we're also given that 90 degrees is less than b, which is less than 180. So during our diagram, it's going to be here. Here we can see sine is positive. So sine b is equal to 5 over 13. So cos of a minus b is equal to cos a, which is negative 4/5, multiplied by cos b, which is negative 12 over 13, plus sine of a, which is minus 3 over 5, multiplied by sine of b, which is 5 over 13, and we get 48 over 65 minus 15 over 65, and we get 33 over 65, and that is the final answer. For part B, we know from part A that cos A is negative 4/5 and sine B is 5 over 13. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. We know tan is sine over cos, so this is going to be minus 3/5 over minus 4/5, which is 3 over 4, plus 5 over 13 over negative 12 over 13, which is minus 5 over 12. This is going to be all over 1 minus 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 5 over 12, which is a third over 63 over 48, which is the same as a third multiplied by 48 over 63, which gives us 16 over 63. And that is it.